Hello everyone, I am Janely Sigayapa again, and now we are going to start our DHCP server. So yeah, here, as we can see, we are in our local area connection. Right click the properties, go to the IPv4, change this into your required IP address. So for us, it's 172.31.0.31. Our subnet mask would be 2.5.255.0.0.0. Our default gateway would be 172.31.0.1. Our preferred DNS server is the same since it is based on our requirement. So I click OK, OK. So yeah. Now, after providing those infos, we are going to add roles. Now we are going to the server manager. So here's our server manager. And we are going to install here a new role. So add roles, next, then find the HCP server, next, next. So our IP address is right, right is correct. So we need to validate this. Then we need to copy this and paste it here, then validate again. Click next. Now, click next, then next again, and next again. Here, validate this, prepare the server, click next, and next, then install. So, after we install our DHCP server, let's just wait this. Now, since the HCP server is already installed, you need to click close. Go to Start, Administrative Tools, find DHCP. Then, in here, locate our IPv4, which is in here. It must have a check. Then, after that, right-click, New Scope. Oops. Wait. Yeah, now, New Scope. So, click Next. The name of our scope must be DHCP server. This week, click Next. So, our starting IP address 172.31.0.1. Our end IP address should be 172.31.0.254. Our length should be 22. Then should be 255.255.252. Next, click next. So according to the requirements, it should be 8 hours. Oops. 8 hours. Click next. Yes. So IP address. So click next. So in here, domain name should be your scope is should be 8.8.8, 8.8.8.8. Click add. then 8.8.4.4 and add. Yes. Let's see. Have a look again. Source code, IP address range 31.0.1 is 170 22. So okay. Next. Next. Eight. Next. We are not going to add anything here. And next. No, just click next. Next. Finish.